Well, look what the UPS man delivered. Team lift. They're not kidding. This thing is heavy. A lot heavier than what I was expecting. Don't feel grab handle on the side. So I think I'm going to cheat. Take up and slide it out. Wrestling an alligator. Some instructions. Well, that explains why I couldn't find any grab points to pull it out of the box. Handles are not. It's got a DC power cord, plug in a cigarette lighter, and 120 volt plug into the house. Okay. I'll read the instructions, put it together, and do some testing. Okay, now they're all started. Just run them in. Okay, grab handles at both ends. A whole lot easier to move it now. One of these corner pieces came off as I was trying to drag it out of the box. And it looks like I've got the rubber loose on a couple other ones, so take a minute. Seat everything back like it's supposed to be. Screws are supposed to hold it in place, but it didn't. It's got these little wings that have to tuck into the grooves. Okay. Now all the feet are attached properly. Time to go plug it in. Just for a quick test, I'm going to throw a thermometer in there and see how it does. Probably let it run for half an hour or so. This one for the temperature in the fridge will be this one where it says in temp. It's right now 77.8. This is for an outdoor sensor. That's the ambient outside. So I'll drop this in and fire it up. It's rather quiet. Set the thermostat for 1.5. That seems to be the good range to use this as a refrigerator. That should get it. Some are close to about 34, 35 degrees. The dial goes all the way up to 5, 5 being the coldest. This will supposedly freeze bottles of water solid within 3 hours, but I'll test that for myself in a little bit. So I'll let this run for a while and then come back and check on it. Okay, it's been allowed to run for about half an hour. The light is still on. The compressor just shut off. Let's see where we are. Oh yeah, it's cold in there. It's at 45.9. I think what I'll do is I'll bump it just a little bit colder. I moved it to about number 2 on the dial. And I'll let that go for another half hour and see where it is then. Okay, it's been running about another 10 minutes. The compressor shut off again, so it thinks it's cold enough. Let's have a look. Now I'm down to 39. I'll bump it down just a little bit more. Now set at 2.5. Compressor kickback on. When it kicks off again, I'll check it again. Okay, it's about 12 minutes later. Compressor cycled off again. It's now 33.2 degrees. So I think I will start using this with the temperature set at, what did I say, 2.5? Yeah, so around 2.5. and see how that goes. As long as I'm not freezing things, and that might be the ideal setting for me. I will do some future testing, and I will post results of that, but tomorrow I plan on using this for work. Thanks for watching.